Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from NY Detective. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a report of someone slipping into a restricted area behind an airport terminal bar quickly turns into a police response inside one of the busiest parts of the airport. Officers move in to figure out why the individual entered an employee-only section and whether the situation is about to escalate further. The breakdown starts now.
What's up? Bro, do not let this guy... What's your name? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What's your name? Oh, so you're going to take it inside. Yeah, bro. That's just not going to let anybody touch me. I don't let anybody touch me. All right, soldier. I don't want no trouble. Look, you're about to get it. You're about to get trouble. I've been about to get trouble. You want to f with me right now?
Notice how the officers start reacting to his behavior here. When someone suddenly becomes more confrontational during an encounter, the whole tone of the situation can change fast.
I didn't do anything wrong. This guy f with me. So we're gonna fight. That's what you want. Is that what you want? I don't. I want to go home. I've been here 2 years. Well, get on the ground. Yeah. Are you? I don't. You're gonna get. I'm a normal. Put your hand behind your back.
This is where the situation starts getting harder for officers to control. The moment someone begins resisting during handcuffing, everything becomes more tense and unpredictable.
Go my leg. I can't because your elbows on
this arm behind your back now.
How about you lean forward and I can take my arm off my back?
Behind your back.
How about lean forward so
This arm behind your back.
How about I do this?
Put your hand behind your back. Have you lost your mind? You're gonna get another one, dude.
You can already tell he's about to make this a lot harder on the officers here. The longer the resistance continues, the faster the pressure starts building on everyone involved.
Racist white people, that's what you are. You racist white people, I didn't do it wrong. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, you.
Put your hand behind your back. Now.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're gonna get another one.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Watch how officers try to settle things down once the resistance starts slowing here. After a struggle like this, their next move is usually getting the person seated and under control before anything escalates again.
Step back. Step back. All right, we're going to turn you to your side, you understand? If you act up, though, we're going to have to put you back down.
On your side. Bro.
Yeah.
You guys.
I think someone already is. Lieutenant.
No shit.
On the count of 3, I'm going to lift you up on your butt. You understand? Sit on your butt.
Ow!
There you go. Keep your head down like this. Thank you.
Watch what happens once officers try getting him on his feet here. Even after the cuffs go on, some people still keep pushing back and make control harder to maintain.
Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to stand you up and sit you down. If you resist, if you fight, we will put you back down. You understand? Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Sit down. Sit down, man.
I see you guys every day, and I'm on your side.
Watch the blood. Watch the blood, bud. Okay. Let's move.
Pay attention once they move him outside the airport here. Sometimes getting someone out of a crowded area is when the resistance really starts picking up again.
Stop.
You killed me. You're trying to kill me.
No one's trying to kill you. They're trying to stop you from hurting yourself and others.
Whoa.
Relax. Hey, relax. Relax, man. Just relax. Take it easy, all right? Just take it easy.
The incident ultimately led to multiple criminal charges, including resisting officers during the arrest, battery, unlawfully entering a restricted occupied area, and disorderly intoxication in a public setting. What started as a disturbance call inside the airport quickly escalated into a physical encounter that officers had to work to contain from start to finish. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.